Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how you can add user to your Windows 10 after logging in or without logging in, because the option seems not to be the same with the previous versions. So let's roll in and see how it works. Okay, first we go to control panel. Okay, open your control panel, then you go to user, and in normal way or default you will find your windows like this. The icons will be displayed like this, but what you should do is just scroll down and set it to small icons. Then you will be easy and able to find user accounts easily. So let's say you want to add an account, make changes, change account type, blah blah, manage account. Okay, this manage another account, you can see, and then add a new user in this in PC settings. Alright, now we are about to add users. Add someone else to this PC. Let's see what happens. You see, Microsoft will require you to log in before performing this action. So what we should do is click I don't have this person signing information. Wait for the next step. Okay, now you should see use a phone number instead, get a new email address, add a user without a Microsoft account. This is what you should click. Okay, you can see now I want to add a new user. Okay, done. I do not need to set a password. No, I don't need it. It should be free because my admin is protected with password. Now I am done. This is my second account. To switch to this account, you will need to restart, or you click user, okay, I'm done. Let me check if there are a few settings I could make. Oh, never mind. Okay, settings or users. This user, like I said, you can either change account, settings, or switch.